Now the 10th question of exercise 5.3 of arithmetic progression chapter. The question is, show that A1, A2 to AN form an AP where AN is defined as below. We have also to find the sum of the first 15 terms. The first part of the question is AN is equal to 3 plus 4n. So an is given here. So the solution of the first part of the question is, we will find the value of first term a1 by putting the value of n equal to 1. So it will comes out to be 3 plus 4 multiplied by 1. It comes out to be 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Similarly a2 comes out to be 3 plus 4 multiplied by 2, putting value of n 2, it will become 3 plus 8 11. Then a3 3 plus 4 multiplied by n value of n 3, that is 3 plus 12, it becomes 15. Then a4, so 3 plus 4 multiplied by 4, it comes out to be 3 plus 16 comes out to be 19. So from these results we will now calculate the common difference. Common difference is calculated as b, that is second term minus first term. So second term we have calculated 11, first term that is 7. So difference comes out to be 4. Similarly, the difference between the third term and the second term, that is third term comes 15 and second term comes 11. So difference again comes out to be 4. Then a4 minus a3, fourth term comes out to be 19 and third term comes 15. So difference comes out to be 4. Since the common difference is 4 in each case, so a1 comma a2 comma a3 so on form an AP. Now according to the question we have to find the sum of the first 15 term. So to calculate this, the formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. By putting the value of, we will calculate S15, that is 15 by 2. 2 we have calculated first term 7 plus 15 minus 1. Common difference here we have calculated 4. So it will comes out to be 15 divided by 2. 2 7 ja 14 plus 14 4 ja 56. So it comes out to be 15 divided by 2 multiplied by 17. 56 plus 14 comes out to be 70. So 2 is cancelled with 70. So it comes out to be answer 1550. Answer you have to be. So this is the sum of 15 terms. 35. So 35 multiplied by 15 comes out to be 1050 divided by 2. So it comes out to be 15 multiplied by 35, which product comes out to be 525. So this is the answer of the first part of the 10th question. Now the second part of this question is an is equal to 9 plus 5n. We have to find whether this is in AP or not. So first we will calculate a1 by putting the value of n1. 9 plus 5 multiplied by 1, it comes out to be 14. a2 9 plus 5 multiplied by 2, it comes out to be 19. a3 9 plus 5 multiplied by 3, 9 plus 15 comes out to be 24. a4 9 plus 5 multiplied by 4, it comes out to be 9 plus 20 comes out to be 29. So from these four terms we came to know the difference is approximately same. We will calculate the common difference d as a2 minus a1 second term minus first term. 19 minus 14, it comes out to be 5. then a3 minus a2 third term minus second term, that is 24 minus 19, that comes also 5. Then a4 minus a3, that comes out to be 29 minus 24, the common difference comes out to be 5. So the series a1 a2 so on form an AP. Now we will calculate the sum of 15 terms. Sum of 15 terms, we use the formula 15 by 2. 2 multiplied by first term a, we have calculated is 14 plus n 15 minus 1 multiplied by common difference which we have calculated 5. So by simplifying 15 by 2, 2 14 ja 28 plus 14 multiplied by 5 70. So it comes out to 15 by 2 28 plus 70. So it comes out to be 15 divided by 2 multiplied by 98. So 2 cancelled with 98, it comes out to be 49. 15 multiplied by 49 comes out to be 735. So the sum of 15 terms comes out to be 735. One thing is more, we have calculated this series as considering this as plus sign, but in the book given minus sign, we can calculate there can be the question can come in the paper by changing the terms. So if it comes by changing the sign, we will calculate the other terms by mentioning the other sign, so that series will become different. So this question is we have considered with plus sign, so the answer comes out to be this. So this is the second part of the 10th question. Calculate this series with negative sign 9 minus 5n. So it will comes out to a1 is equal to 9 minus 5 multiplied by 1, that comes out to be 4. a2 that comes out to be 9 minus 5 multiplied by 2, that comes out to be 9 minus 10 comes out to be minus 1. a3 that is 9 minus 5 multiplied by 3, 9 minus 15 comes out to be minus 6. Then a4 is equal to 9 minus 5 multiplied by 4, it comes out to be 9 minus 20, it comes out to be minus 11. So we will calculate the common difference D as a2 minus a1, since a2 given as minus 1 and a1 is given plus 4. So minus 4, it comes out to be common difference minus 5. Then similarly a3 minus a2, here a3 we have given minus 6 and a2 minus 1, minus 1 becomes plus, so it comes out to be minus 5 again. a4 fourth term minus a3 third term, a4 we have calculated minus 11 and a3 that is minus plus, that is 6. So answer comes out to be minus 5. So here common difference comes out to be minus 5 in each case. So this also forms AP series. So we will now calculate the difference of sum of 15 terms. So for this we will calculate this as 15 by 2 using the formula 2 multiplied by first term is 4 plus n 15 minus 1 multiplied by the common difference minus 5. So it comes out to be 15 by 2, 2 4 ja 8 plus 14 multiplied by minus 5. So it comes out to be 15 divided by 2, 8 minus 70. So it comes out to be 15 divided by 2 multiplied by minus 62, which on cancelling 62 with this 15 multiplied by 31 comes out to be minus 465. So this is the answer of the second part of the 10th question. Now the 11th question is, if the sum of first n terms of an AP arithmetic progression is 4n minus n square, what is the first term, that is S1? What is the sum of first two terms. What is the second term? Similarly, find the third and the 10th and the nth terms. Solution of question 11 is, as we have given Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. So first we will find the value of S1 by putting the value of n is equal to 1, that becomes 4 multiplied by 1 minus 1 square, that comes out to be 4 minus 1 comes out to be 3. So this is equal to A1 also. Then S2 by putting value of n is equal to 2, 4 multiplied by 2 minus 2 square, that comes out to be 8 minus 4, that comes out to be 4, that is also as A2. This is 2. Then we will calculate A2, that is the difference of S2 minus S1, that is we have calculated S2 is equal to 4 and S1 we have calculated 3, so the difference comes out to be 1. S2 minus S1 comes out to be 1. Now we will calculate S3 by putting the value of n 3, so 4 multiplied by 3 minus 3 square, that comes out to be 12 minus 9, that comes out to be 3. Similarly we will calculate A3, that is S3 minus S2. S3 we have calculated 3 and S2 we have calculated 4 minus 4, so it comes out to be minus 1. So now we will calculate S10 S9. For calculating S9 we will put the value of n 9, 4 multiplied by 9 minus 9 square, so it comes out to be 36 minus 81, that comes out to be so it comes out to be S9 comes out to be minus 45. Then similarly we will calculate S10. S10 comes out to be 4 multiplied by value of 10, n is 10 minus 10 square, so it will comes out to be minus 40 minus 100, so it comes out to be minus 60. So the difference of S10 minus S9 comes out to be A10 is equal to S10 minus S9, so minus 60 minus 45, so it comes out to be minus 60 plus 45, it comes out to be minus 15. So now we will calculate the sum of Sn minus 1th term, so that is by putting the value of 4, n value n minus 1 minus n minus 1 square, so it further simplifies as 4n minus 4 minus n square plus 1 minus 2n, when we open this bracket and calculated, so it further simplified as 4n minus 4 minus n square minus 1 plus 2n. So here 4n plus 2n comes out to be 6n, minus 4 minus 1 comes out to be minus 5 and minus n square. So this is the Sn minus 1 term. We have given Sn 4n minus n square. So we will now calculate An, that is Sn minus Sn minus 1. So by putting the value Sn 4n minus n square minus 6n minus 5 minus n square, so here 4n minus 6n minus n square minus minus n plus n square minus minus plus 5, so it on further calculating 4n minus 6n comes out to be minus 2n, minus n square plus n square cancelled and plus 5, so our nth term An comes out to be 5 minus 2n. This is the solution of the 11th question. The 12th question is, find the sum of the first 40 positive integers which are divisible by 6. So solution of the question is, the divisible by 6 terms of AP will be 6, 12, 18, 24. So first term A comes out to be 6. Common difference D comes out to be A2 minus A1. Second term minus first term, that is 12 minus 6. So it comes out to be 6 common difference. And N, we have to first positive terms. So N is equal to 40. So now we will calculate the sum by using the formula Sn, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. So by putting the values S 40, so 40 divided by 2, putting the value of n to 40, 2 multiplied by first term 6 plus n 40 minus 1 multiplied common difference d, which we have calculated 6. So it comes out to be 20, 12 plus 39 multiplied by 6. So it comes out to be 20, 12 plus 234, which comes out to be 20 multiplied by 246. So it further calculated to be 4920. So sum of first 40 positive integers which are divisible by 6 comes out to be 4920. This is the solution of the 12th question. 13th question, find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. So the solution of the question is the AP series multiples of 8 becomes 8, 16, 24, 32. So A here comes out to be 8. Common difference D, 16 minus 8 comes out to be 8. Second term minus first term. And we have to calculate first 15 multiplied. So value of n is 15. So S 15 comes out to be 15 divided by 2. 2 multiplied by first term 8 plus 15 minus 1 multiplied by common difference D, which we have calculated 8. So we will have 15 divided by 2, 2 multiplied by 8, 16 plus 14 multiplied by 8. So 14 multiplied by 8 comes out to be 112. 15 divided by 2, 16 plus 112. So it becomes 15 divided by 2, it becomes 16 plus 112, 128. Cancelling 2 with 128, it comes out to be 64. So 15 multiplied by 64 comes out to be 960. So sum of 15 multiples of 8 comes out to be 960. This is the 13th question's solution. 14th question, find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. We know that what are odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, these are odd numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, these are even numbers which are divisible by 2, those are even numbers. So here the series, the solution of the question is the AP series is 1, 3, 5 and the last comes out to be 49 number. So here the first term comes out to be 1 and common difference D, that comes out to be second term minus first term. 3 minus 1 comes out to be 2, that is the common difference. And AN, the last term, that is comes out to be 49. So we will use the formula here. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. So by putting the value of AN 49, so it will comes out to A is equal to 1 plus N, we have to calculate number of terms, and common difference D we have calculated 2. So 49 carrying 1 to the other side becomes negative. So it comes out to be N minus 1 divided by 2. So N minus 1, 49 minus 1 comes out to be 48 or divided by 2. It comes out to be 24. So N becomes 24 plus 1 is equal to 25. So we have to calculate the sum of 25 terms. So 25 divided by 2, calculating the sum, the formula is n by 2, 2 multiplied by a we have given 1 plus n 25 minus 1, n minus 1 multiplied by common difference D, that is 2. So it comes out to be 25 divided by 2, 2 multiplied by 1, 2 plus 24 multiplied by 2 comes out to be 48. So 25 divided by 2 plus 48, it comes out to be 25 divided by 2 multiplied by 50. Did cancelling 2 with 50, it comes out to be 25. 25 multiplied by 25 comes out to be 625. So sum of 25 terms of AP comes out to be 625. This is the solution of the 14th question. So with this we have completed the 14 question of 5.3 exercise. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe our channel. Thanks.